Would you trust an AI to diagnose a disease, approve a loan, or drive a car without testing it first?
AI model evaluation is the process, measuring how well an AI model performs before it's used in the real world.
A small mistake can have huge consequences. That's why every AI model must be carefully evaluated. Experts use metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to measure AI performance. Models learn from training data, improve using validation data, and prove themselves on completely unseen test data. AI model evaluation ensures AI is reliable, accurate, and ready for the real world. Always evaluate before you deploy.